Hey guys, I'm at the auction site and I'm looking at this GLE63s. So I'm thinking of buying it, so not sure how much is it gonna go for or what should I spend. I'll show you. It has a problem, looks like engine was on fire. So what do you guys think? Let me show you. I think this white stuff is what they sprayed. I'm hoping, or is it just a residue of fire? Looks like on this side is clean, but the hose is off. They took out the engine fan, so all that hydraulics. Okay, this is off as well. This is that's our oil cooler thing, I believe. See, that's burnt. Fire got up to there. Yeah. Oh my god, look at this. I cannot see what's oil like. My first impression, like, look how clean it is inside. Kind of on a first go I felt as if petrol is inside, like that smell. Even on this cap kind of smells like petrol, but it's so clean, so I don't know if the petrol got in there. Wow, such a risky buy. Definitely smells a little bit like a petrol. Okay, this has been touched. Another thing I just noticed, this oil dipstick, it's got nothing, dry as. So they removed the oil or fuel, whatever it's in there. Wow. It's been sitting a long time since the brakes are all corroded. Bits and pieces. I don't know. Looks okay, interior wise. See the cover, the radiator thing is off. Oh, really nice car. I'm so tempted. I'm so worried. Can I fix it? See the driver's seat. It's got one key, but it's dead. Battery is flat. Shit, see the dash? It's all up. What the hell happened? Bang & Olufsen, so looks like it's fully optioned, but look at this. What happened here? Oh my god. See? This all got unglued. Okay, what do you think, guys? Should I get it? How much should I pay for it? How much is it gonna cost me to fix this? What do you reckon? Like, if I got this, I would be so happy. I mean, if I fix it, if I manage to fix it, I'll bid on this and hopefully I'm a successful bidder. See you next time.